Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to turn on the closed captioning or the subtitles on Tubi. I'm demoing this from my Roku device, so first obviously we need to open up Tubi. From Tubi, we need to find something to watch. So I just tested this on Django. I'll hit the play option here. Hopefully we don't have a million ads, and we don't. Cool. I'm going to pause this so we don't get copywritten. Alright, so from this page, if you look right over here on the right hand side bottom, there's something that looks like a chat bubble, and if we scroll over to that and open it, here we can choose which type of subtitles we want, English or Spanish. Now every movie or show may or may not have subtitles enabled, so if it doesn't, you're just gonna have to take one step back and maybe go to the device that you're watching on. For instance, I'm watching on a Roku, so if I wanted to add subtitles through the Roku device and not through Tubi, I could go back to settings, find accessibility, and then from accessibility, go down, and choose caption mode, and then on always. So the steps are going to vary based off of what device you're using, but in a really quick video, that's how you're going to add subtitles or closed captions to Tubi. Just to show you this one more time, it is this icon here on the bottom right. Open it, subtitles, boom. So if this helped, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.